Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold for this week. More volatility, economic event is non-farm employment change. So I like to get the perfect analysis with the technical and with economic data for your gold trade. With the non-farm employment change is in the next Friday, 2nd June. So more volatile economic events to the US dollar, and it is help for your gold trading. So this is the gold daily chart. You can see the trend line I already marked in white color. This is the perfect technical level for buy gold in technical analysis. So you can this the trend line first touch in here November and second touch in March this year, and this is the third level in the May in. This is the perfect entry level for the buy in this technically. So technically it has another reason for buy. So you can see the left side resistance. This resistance should be supported in here, can be supported in here. You can see the strong resistance in here, and it may be supported in here to buy gold. And the second reason technically, and I would like to split Fibonacci for your third reason to buy here. Is I will use the Fibonacci retracement. You can see the Fibonacci 0.5 level is in price and 0.618 golden level is in price. If the Fibonacci, you can buy the gold in with Fibonacci level in this. So there's a three reason to buy gold in here with technically analysis. You can see, remember I like to tell this with technically analysis, but perfect gold entry you should follow the economic data, what is going on. So this week has the more volatile economic events, that's non-farm employment change and the unemployment rate regarding US dollars. The current situation last month, employment change is 253k. Fed, American Central Bank, is forecast it will be dropped to 193k, and also 3.4 is the unemployment rate, and Fed is expected to unemployment rate increase 3.5. that's the Fed's expected with the labor data in this week. So I like to consider this news in Forex Live. So IMS has told the Federal Reserve to hike more and quickly and then hold. This is the more volatile, that's the economic data, interest rates, events in FOMC meeting June. Now currently Fed's interest rate is 5.25. The IMS has told the Federal Reserve to more hike. So Fed's inflation goes, the report says the Fed's 10 interest rate hikes since last March may not be enough to bring down inflation to the Fed's 2% target. So IMS Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva followed up with the press conference offering advice to Federal Open Market Committee FOMC. So next FOMC meeting, Federal Reserve, American Central Banks needs to hike interest rates. That's the IMF director was told in this meeting. So interest rate 5.25 is the current, and 25 BPS need to hike in next FOMC meeting for the inflation goal is fixed 2%. Now current inflation is 4.9, so 4.9%. So Fed's inflation rate dropped to the 2%. That's the Fed's inflation goal, that they need to hike more interest rate. So if this economic data and this week non-employment change will be, if drop to the below 190k, below 190k, the unemployment change will be dropped and the unemployment rate increased to below 3.5%. that's the dollar weakness of, that's the labor data not positive to US dollar, and that will be help to the buy gold in this level. So you should remember the non-employment change data. Remember this data. This data was dropped to the below forecast. Below forecast, this data dropped and unemployment rate will be increased to the 3.5%. That's the not positive for US dollar, and gold will be buy from this level. I have already mentioned technical reasons to buy this level, and don't buy with only technical. Follow the economic data in this week, and non-farm employment change will be dropped to this level. Gold should be buy. So accurate gold signals with technical economic data analysis in my Telegram, link is below. You can join it for accurate gold signals. So that's the buy option, and second option is the non-farm employment change will be positive, about 250k, which the actual figure will be, and that's the positive for US dollar, and unemployment rate will be dropped to the below 3.4% or 3.4. That's the positive for US dollar, and that not expected to buy gold in this level, and gold will be dropped to this break trend line. That's the affected non-farm employment change. So you should consider this economic data in this week for your gold trading. So get the trade with the confirmations, and get the trade with the smaller time frames confirmations, and money management will. For thank you.